Hello everyone, in this video we are going to compare GTA 5 PS4 versus PS5 graphics comparison, right? And we will also check the 4K 60 FPS next gen everything, right? So if you don't know that GTA 5 originally launched in 2013 for PS3 with subsequent release on PS4 and PS5, and the crazy fan base is still going on, and very soon we are going to see GTA 6, right? You already know the hype. So here are some of the images you can see, right? And you will able to identify. And here you can see the graphic change has been completely different. Okay, so we are going to watch one by one here. And this one, this is PS4 and this is PS5, right? And you can just check the bullet right here. You can just look for this one and goes for this one. You can see the shattering of the mirrors and everything, and the glasses is coming out, right? It's not happening on PS4 here. Now let's go and see this one, right? This is the water fountain. Oh, I can't see the fountain. You can see the water supply, whatever it is. So whenever our character just crash to it, you can see this length of this, and that you can see the ripples and everything, right? It is exactly in the PS4, but you can see there's a huge less amount. Now let's go to the next part here. And this is it, but if you just open the ray tracing and everything, you can see the reflection. If you see this, right, there is a no reflection of the lights and everything. On the other side, on the PS5, you can see the lights, right? Same thing on this angle, on this angle, right? It's not happening here. It is okay. This is here, but you can see the contrast is completely different, right? So this is the complete change in the graphics, right? And of course it's getting good in the PS5 here. Same goes for here in the cars, right? Here you can see in the roads and everything, and the lights and the flaring of the lights here, there's a huge difference. And you can just keep going and watching the vegetations and everything, right? Has been completely changed. You can see there's a slightly drag and blur, and there's a no drag or something, right? No tires imprint available here, right? And here you can see the mountains. The texture is a little bit better, the far texture, as well as we can't see here, right? So this is nice. And same goes here, we have after the first one. So this is a huge change. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.